Hi guys, it's me Dennis, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this Kawaii cute Pikachu. I'll be using porcelain air dry clay and the brand is Flynntastic Air Dry Clay. By the way, this is not sponsored in any shape or form, but if you want to try their product, I'll be providing the link on the description box. Let's go! Pikachu is known for its yellow fur, so we'll be starting with yellow clay. I'll be using this half circle silicone molder to measure the amount of clay. Just get the right amount of clay and use the biggest circle for the body. Now, by using your fingers or rolling it on a surface, form a circle just like this. To form a cube, you can use your fingers to flatten the sides. Then press it on your work surface to make sure that all sides are even. Using my dotting tool, I'm making indents where the eyes and mouth will go. Now I'm rolling 2 small black clays for the eyes. Just pop in the clay into the indent. Do not forget the left eye. Here's a quick tip. Here I'm mixing a translucent air dry clay with a small amount of black. If you're not familiar with working with porcelain air dry clay, darker shade might bleed when placed next to a lighter shade. You can use this instead of using pure black. You'll get surprised, once dried will turn black. Here's the before and after. Now let's get some red and roll the small piece. Just place it where the mouth will go, and with the dotting tool, just push it a bit. Let's mix some white with red, and you only need a small amount of this. Using the end of this sculpting tool, I'm shaping the upper part of the mouth. With a small piece of black clay, just form a small circle for the nose. And just place it on top of the mouth. Using the smallest semicircle of the mold, get your red clay and roll them into 2 identical circles. Flatten them a bit with an acrylic block. I'm adding here some glue since the clay is starting to dry up. Now let's place the red chicks at the bottom corner and make sure that they're both secure. Let's measure the clay using the 4th smallest semicircle. Roll it into a log and make sure that the end is pointy using your fingers. Make 2 of these and cut the end using your scissors. Use the smallest semicircle to get an equal amount of black clay. Work the ends using your fingers to make sure that Pikachu's ears are pointy. Now I have here a stainless steel pin. Attach a piece on each ears. This will form a support to make sure that the ears are sturdy. Now let's poke some holes on top of the cube and carefully attach the ears. We're almost done. Now let's go ahead and make the tail. Make a thin sheet of clay using your rolling pin. Get your blade and form a rectangle. Slice up each sides to form a shape like this. Make 2 small triangles on the right. And another triangle on the other side. Then cover the end with a small sheet of brown clay. And lastly, attach the tail at the back. And once dry, you can spray this with acrylic lacquer or glaze it with resin. And we're done! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.